Let's walk through how to create a time-saving template in NotaryLive. Templates help you streamline the notarization process. No need to re-enter the same details each time. From your dashboard, click the menu in the top left and head to Templates. Then hit Create New Template. You'll see two options, a regular template or an API one. We'll go with a regular template for now. Click Next, and now you can name your template, upload your document, decide who's paying. For now, let's pick the organization to pay, and keep the notarization type as Remote Online Notarization. You can choose to use any NotaryLive notary or assign one from your team, and even leave a message if needed. When you're done, just click Save and Apply. To use a template, go to Create a new session from your dashboard and click Want to use a template? Choose the one you made, and all the key info is already filled out: document, payment, notary, and type. And that's it. Templates help make every session faster and more consistent.